Hello friends, welcome to Nick IT Academy. In this session, we are going to see how to delete duplicate record from Oracle table. We are going to see the method 1 by using row ID. In an Oracle table, each and every record has the row number and row ID. The row number is nothing but the sequence number for each and every record. The row ID is nothing but it's a unique number given by the Oracle. So even if the table contains billions of record, so the row ID will be unique. Okay. If I'm going to delete this particular record, this row number will become 4. The row number will change in future, but row ID of the record will not change at any time. So this is the concept. Okay. If you consider this particular table, so look at here in employee ID. So we have some duplicate record on this particular table. So how to find duplicate record? We know already that we will take count of this employee ID by grouping it. And if the count is more than 1, then we can say this particular column contains duplicate. But how can I delete the duplicate? So after finding the duplicate, I have to delete the duplicate record. For an example, if I have 2 records here, I need to keep 1 record. I need to delete this particular record. If I have 3 records, 3 duplicate records, I need to keep 1 record and delete all other records. If I use delete from table name by using this employee ID, then it will delete both records. So we should not do that. By using this row ID, we are going to do. So if you consider this row ID, right? So just I have mentioned only 3 characters of the row ID, but you will have some 16 characters or more than that. Okay, if you consider this employee ID, if you group this employee ID and take max of row ID or minimum of row ID, okay? So for this 100 record, you'll be having only 1 row ID. 101, you'll be having only 1 row ID. 102, you'll be having only 1 row ID. But if you have more than 1 record, so out of 2, you'll be having only 1 max of row ID, right? So this max of row ID we are going to take. So whichever the green color we are going to take by using this particular query. Select max of row ID from employees group by employee ID. So if you use this particular query, then you will be getting the unique row IDs. Even though if I have 3 records here, so max of row ID will be, so this is the 1. Okay, so these 2 row IDs will not be selected. So we are going to keep this row IDs record and delete all other records. That is why we are using delete from table name, where row ID not in this particular unique records row ID. So where row ID not in, select max of row ID from employees group by employee ID. So you can use minimum of row ID also. That is also possible. Why? Because if you consider this group, then minimum of row ID we are keeping it, right? So this record we are keeping it. Other 2 records we are deleting it. So minimum, maximum, that is not an issue. We will do it practically. So if you consider this particular table, it has some duplicate record. So I'm going to find whether this table contains duplicate record or not. So how can I find duplicate? Select the column name, customer ID, count of star from this customer data table, from the table customer data. So group by customer ID. So I'm going to make group by on this column, and making the count. So whichever the count is more than 1. So if the count is more than 1, I can say, so this is the some duplicate record is present. Okay. So group by customer ID. So having count of star greater than 1. Why I am making this query, right? After deleting the duplicate record, it should not return any records. So we have some duplicate record. It has 2 records. Duplicate, it has 3 records. Okay. So I want to delete it. So how can I delete? You have to use delete from table name. So that we have seen delete from table name, where row ID is nothing but unique ID. Row ID not in, select max of row ID. You can use max of row ID or minimum of row ID. Max of row ID from customer data group by customer ID. No need to put having class. So here just we are selecting the max of row ID. So this inner query returns unique records row ID here. Then we are deleting other row IDs. So if you look at the table, here, select row num, row ID, star, it will not work. So we are making C dot star and then customer data is C. Then if you look at this table, so each record will have the row ID, right? So this is the row ID. So in this, we are taking that max of row ID, unique records row ID we are taking here, and then deleting the other records. So delete from table name. There is 3 duplicates record has been deleted. So if you check this again, there is no record. So there is no duplicate record as of now. If you look at here, so in this table, the customer table, there is no duplicate record. It has been deleted. So now it has been deleted. So after deleting it, you can do commit. So this is what you can delete the duplicate record. This is the best method to delete the duplicate record. Even we do have other methods. We will see the other methods in our next session. Thank you for watching. So we will meet in the next session with another topic.